Hi everyone, John here. As the Easter holiday is almost upon us, this is a very quick reminder for you to check out my Easter recipes, especially my two main hot cross bun videos. There's the original hot cross bun video and my latest hot cross bun video where you can use chocolate chips instead of fruit. Links below. And you'll find the Easter playlist link in the description box below too, where you'll be able to check out my fish and chip and fish pie recipes, and also a great slow roast leg of lamb recipe. And don't forget, we have a great deal in the website shop this Easter weekend. We have a huge 15% off everything in the store, starting 12 AM Good Friday through to 12 PM Easter Monday. So get your orders ready, guys. Well, that's it for now, and I hope you all have a very happy and peaceful Easter weekend holiday, and I'll see you in the next video recipe. Bye for now, everyone.